Let us now jump into a quick case study, a deep dive into two powerhouse affiliate systems and what you can learn from them. Most SaaS founders or marketers creating affiliate programs fall into these or into one of the two traps. They copy a model they saw online without knowing why it worked, or they over engineer a payout plan so complex even they can't explain it on a Zoom call. And worst of all, they have no idea how to actually inspire loyalty, motivate action, or create stories their affiliates want to tell. You have heard affiliate marketing is powerful, but how do brands like ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel turn it into a movement? So, what if I told you these two giants used completely different models and both built multi-million dollar machines? One focused on status and lifestyle, the other focused on cash flow and simplicity. In this case study, I'll break down how ClickFunnels' Dream Car created a cult-like affiliate army, how GoHighLevel's 40% recurring turned users into loyal promoters, and how you can choose the right blend to build your own unstoppable affiliate engine. Let's compare both strategies across 5 areas. Number one is the incentive design. ClickFunnels Dream Car program offer refer 100 paying customers and we pay your car lease up to $500 per month and $1,000 per month at 200 users, paid in addition to normal affiliate commissions. Designed for status, lifestyle, and public bragging rights. It became a badge of honor in the internet marketing space. People wanted to hit 100 referrals, not just for money, but for ego and community. GoHighLevel's 40% recurring. Often you get 40% of every sale every month for life. No gimmicks, no thresholds, no dream cars. It appeals to cash flow focused creators and side hustlers who want predictable passive income. The lesson: ClickFunnels sells status plus aspiration, GoHighLevel sells freedom plus utility. So ask yourself, is my ideal promoter driven by public status or by quiet monthly deposits? Number two, commission payout structure. ClickFunnels 30% recurring with bonuses plus car lease. GHL 40% recurring, clean and simple. Most people assumed ClickFunnels was more generous, but actually GHL pays more over time for the same subscription value without requiring referral minimums. Number three, affiliate support and materials. ClickFunnels, huge affiliate boot camps, swipe files, funnels, FB groups, contests, viral leaderboards. GoHighLevel, affiliate Facebook group, swipe pages, plus done for you funnels. Bonus, you can resell GHL itself as SaaS. So you are both an affiliate and a product owner. GoHighLevel essentially built a business model for affiliates and not just a payout system. Number four was the tech stack integration. ClickFunnels, proprietary backend, moderate tracking, leaderboards, often manual or delay based. GoHighLevel, built-in affiliate dashboard plus auto tagging. Easily connect Zapier with ChatGPT and GHL workflows to automate lead distribution, affiliate updates, or even payouts. Try ChatGPT prompt. Create a Zapier plus GHL automation to notify affiliates when they make a sale and give them tips to improve performance. So you actually do not need Zapier for this at all. You can just say create a GHL automation to notify affiliates when they make a sale and give them tips to improve performance. Psychological drivers. Platform ClickFunnels, emotion triggered aspiration plus belonging. Message, become a dream car winner. GoHighLevel, security plus empowerment. Message, build recurring income fast. They don't just pay people, they speak to identity. So what is the takeaway? Both ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel mastered the affiliate game, but they used opposite strategies because they knew who they were selling to. ClickFunnels said, let's create heroes. GoHighLevel said, let's build income machines. You can do both or craft your own flavor. So here is what to do next. Choose your core motivator, status, cash flow, or both. Use the Made Easy framework to align the model with your brand and users. Build your offer using the swipe templates we give you next. And use ChatGPT to brainstorm viral angles for your affiliate community name, leaderboard ideas, and emotional hooks.